Hey everyone, so we're gonna pretend that my voiceover is actually what I'm saying in the video because I didn't like when the video I made, so I had to do a voiceover. So I'm actually just telling you guys I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial using these products for the first time that I bought for myself for Christmas. So let's jump into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm doing is brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie. I'm letting them grow because I went to get my eyebrows waxed with someone and they kind of messed up my shape. Even though I'm letting my eyebrows grow, I still clean them out in certain areas of my eyebrows with the tweezers just to have that area clean when I'm kind of like doing my eyebrows. So after I did all the cleaning, I'm using like a pencil eyebrow to kind of fill in my eyebrows. I kind of like go ahead and fill in the gaps that I have with this. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just filling. I'm using Age Rewind by Maybelline to go ahead and clean up those eyebrows. I don't have a particular favorite concealer, so go ahead and use any one. But this is what I do. I kind of go ahead and clean it up, just like any little mistakes that I probably did when I was filling them in with the pencil. And after that, go ahead and clean that up with a brush. You could use your fingers. You could do whatever you want, but you got to clean up that concealer. After that, I set it with a gel eyebrow. You could use one with color, or you could use a clear one, whatever is your cup of tea. Alright, so those eyebrows was connected to this look. Listen, I'm a little late. I know I was supposed to post this video maybe a day after New Year's, but listen, it was my birthday. I'm gonna getting back to schedule. But this is the look. If you want to see it, you gotta follow me on Instagram, and it's on my IGTV. So thank you so much for watching.